We are at the exhibition of Kirandeep Grewal, and this is the unique picture we have picked up for Kiran to speak about it. Yes, Kiran, tell us about this beautiful picture.
So this is a painting done on silk, and imagery is about the water woman who emerges out of the river, and she is walking towards the forest. And as she is walking, so I've tried to show the movement of her hair, showing that the breeze is blowing, and the effect of the texture in the background is also showing the blowing of the wind. And here I've used human hair with the stitchery and shisha work, and I've tried to play with the thread and the paints just to get more texture on the image. And here these are the fabric pastels which are used for adding again more texture and giving more depth to the painting.